How you doing, art lovers? Got some rocks here. Try to get done before my show I got coming up. If not, I'll have other shows. I can take another. Rigo River rocks. I just painted black. Got gloss black on top and flat black on the bottom. Just the way it worked out. Now I put the flat black on the bottom so I can, when I'm done, I sign my name and stuff to them. And the paint pencil I got, or marker or whatever, works better, shows up better on flat than it does a gloss. Don't know why, just that's the way it works. So, got some paints made up here over here on the side. I got blue, red, yellow, orange, and a turquoise. Turquoise is made with the that's folk art turquoise. Except for the orange, the rest of them are all Artist Loft full acrylics. And I mixed the red and yellow together to get the orange. Yeah, when these gloves stick to the edges, they don't go all the way down. Of course, I get size extra large, and they're still don't seem to be big enough for me. Alrighty. Let's start with some titanium white. Get that in the bottom of the cup. Remember, first thing in the cup is going to be the last thing out. Got a little blue. I don't know if you could see this red. See how it... Trying to move it so you can see. It kind of mounds up a little. I just can't get that right for you guys, can I? It mounds a little and then disappears. Some yellow in there. Orange. I don't know how this is going to work with this turquoise, but we'll give it a shot. Shot of black. Some blue. Some more red, some more yellow, top off with some white. All right. Let's see which one we want to do first. Alright, let's get these off the side. Alright, let's do these two. I'm looking kind of cool. You gotta get over here and get to the side though. Pouring on a rock's kind of hard because they're not just flat surface. That's that looks pretty cool. Got a little fire and ice type thing going on over in this one here. Getting some paint scooped up doing the very bottom here. Yep. They're not flat surfaces. Let's see if I can turn this a little bit. See, I got to make sure I got everything on this side. On that one. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. You've got your mixture paint left over. I mean, just throwing on some rocks. It's pretty cool what happens. And a lot of people seem to like them. All right, quick little lesson of just painting on rocks. Pouring on rocks, whichever way you want to look at it. Looks pretty cool. I like them. I think I got everything covered except the very bottom, which that's where I put my name. So yeah, put down in the comments what you think of this. You can see I'm going to bring them up to you a little closer. See, it's got some greens and yellows and blues going on in that one, and this one here you got reds and blue and green starting to sell on the side. And oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah. Now you don't want to do that. Wasn't a total disaster. Still kind of a masterpiece. As you can call a rock a masterpiece. But oh. Another thing about a rock, they're not really that sturdy either, so not best to move them around a whole lot. Alright, think I got her fixed. So once again, art lovers, leave down in the comments what you think of this. I'll have the dried products at the end of the video. And like, share, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down in the corner and the notification bell. Look in my descriptions. Hit the see more, show more. Got a lot of things down there for you. And until next time, get out there and paint something.